Uber is getting back into drone delivery for Uber Eats, partnering with Flytrex to test aerial food deliveries in some US markets by the end of 2025. Flytrex has already done over 200,000 deliveries in the US, and this deal includes a small investment from Uber. Back in 2019, Uber tried drone delivery with Elevate, but regulatory issues and logistical challenges stopped it. Now, with rules loosening a bit and more FAA approvals for beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) drone operations, the timing seems more promising. Uber and Flytrex plan to launch pilot tests in select US areas by year-end, but they haven't said which cities yet. Bottom line, drone food delivery might finally become normal soon. Faster deliveries, less traffic, maybe fewer delivery drivers needed. Would you order food via drone if you had the chance? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech updates.